this intensely hot time of the year, you might think that gardening pretty much shuts down. And I got to admit, when it's this uncomfortable outside, we don't like to get out and garden as much as we do when the weather's cooler and milder, but we continue to garden through the summer. In particular, if you're looking around your landscape right now and you'd like to add some color to your landscape, maybe you have a flower bed where some of the flowers have already played out and finished and you've pulled them out. Some insect or disease problem might have wiped out a planting and you're craving to put some more color back in that spot. Or perhaps you've watched a TV show on gardening or looked at a magazine and seen the beautiful containers of flowering plants just bubbling over with beautiful colors to embellish your patios, porches, and decks. That's all doable this time of the year. Your local nursery is full of wonderful, bright, colorful bedding plants that thrive and love the heat. You can plant them in beds this time of the year. You can plant them in containers this time of the year. So I'd encourage you to think about going out to your nursery. You know, in midsummer when it's this hot, a lot of gardeners just kind of stay away from the nurseries. When you come to a nursery this time of the year and look at the beautiful color, ask questions. The staff is there anxious to have customers come in and to help them. So ask questions. I like something for a shady spot, something for a container, something gets to be 3 feet tall in a bed. Explain to them the growing conditions, the purpose for the plant, and what your taste is, and let them help you select wonderful, beautiful bedding plants that you can plant here in midsummer for color all the way until October. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU Ag Center.